All right, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Rayniz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 52-inch gilded mahogany Hampton Huntington 3 ceiling fan. Now, I know I said in my video that I wasn't going to do a video of this fan showing what it looks like before I replace the capacitor. But I lied to you guys because I thought I wasn't going to do it. But I'm actually am because I'm just floor testing this fan and stuff. So this just going to be an outtake and stuff. So I'm not going to do like an official demonstration. I'm just going to cycle through the speeds. So I'm about to go in and start it off with high speed. And before that, let me plug this thing in because I did forget to plug it in. So other than that, so this is high speed. And as you can see, this fan is taking forever to start up. And this is how this fan would normally start if it was on medium. Yup, it does have something to do with the capacitor issue. So I'm going to get that straightened out. Yeah, so let me, hold on. Just doing that so y'all can catch the rhythm of how fast the fan going on high speed. Yep, it's the capacitor issue because medium speed is a lot faster than it is on high speed. And I'm going to put my finger on the blade just so you can hear the difference. Yeah, so it's a lot faster than medium. Then this is low speed. But medium speed and low speed works fine. It's just that high speed is slower than medium and low, which is weird. All right, but I'm about to go and put it on fan off. And the reverse function does work. As I showed it on my first video, the ceiling fan from when I installed the ceiling fan at my friend's house, as her boyfriend wanted this ceiling fan to go in his bedroom. So other than that, I'm about to go on and get off this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.